Welcome to Quick and Easy macOS. So, if you want to install WhatsApp on your macOS, how to do that? It's very simple. Just click on App Store, type WhatsApp, and here it is, WhatsApp Messenger. Just click on this icon here. It will begin the download. You can see the progress here. Open it. To connect your phone, let's click on Get Started, and you have to open WhatsApp on your phone and click on the three dot on top right corner and linked devices, and then click on link a device and scan this code like this. Then it will directly take you to the WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, like the video. If you have any questions, type a comment. And do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.